Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the fastest one and it requires the secret code, and the second is using the settings, so of course I will show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's enter the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and as you can see right here we've got the serial number, and here we've got the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.